Today we're going to take a look at the AppsKitPro mobile building app system. We are a cloud-based mobile app builder, and we have a fantastic platform. So let's take a quick look at all the features that we've got. Number one, the secret sauce is our patent-pending design technology. We have a builder that does not use templates or layouts. We have a builder that really gives you the maximum flexibility of anything on the market, and hopefully anything you'll ever see, because we have actually applied for a patent on it. So you've got some screenshots here of some of the apps that we built in our system, and you can see the variety and different looks that you can accomplish with our system. Again, it's a really design-focused builder, and you'll see that once you're on the inside of the platform. So that's number one. Number two, we use the hook of loyalty. We've got 9 different types of rewards programs, and loyalty is the thing that keeps these apps on customers' devices. 84% of people that download an app that have points or rewards in it will not delete that app. This is the spend-based reward system, and it's one of the 9 programs that we've got. How this works, it's transactional-based, so the customer receives a percentage of the sale transaction amount back into their wallet. So this is a wallet screen, and whatever they spend, and you can set up different tiers, different levels, and basically assign a percentage of spend back to the customer. So let's say a customer comes in and spends $100 and you're giving them a 5% rebate. They would get a $5 back in their rewards platform, and they can accumulate these rewards over time and use it to obviously buy other things in the place of business if they are, or they can spend it essentially whenever they want. The good thing about it is even when they spend their rewards, they're earning on the spend. So if they've earned, let's say they've accumulated $100 in rewards, and they come in to spend $100, they will earn on the, if they spend 125 or 130, they will earn money on the extra that they spent on this that next transaction. So the point is it never runs out. The rewards never run out. How this works, it's a standalone system, but we do work with companies, and we do write APIs that will connect to POS systems, but essentially it's a standalone system. The customer submits a receipt through the app, either by filling in the information that we asked for or taking a picture of the receipt. Admins approve it, the customer gets a push notification, and the rewards are in their account in real time, immediately. Another one of our systems is VIP rewards. The reward system we just looked at was a lifetime spend. This is year to date, so this resets every January 1. So the same thing. This is incentivizing customers to keep coming back to the business and spending money on a yearly basis. We also have a points-based reward system. So you can see here, this system is great for fast-paced, high-volume locations, restaurants, that kind of stuff, where you are able to come into the place of business, make a purchase. When you're checking out, pull out your app. The merchant scans your QR code, enters an amount spent, and boom, the points are automatically added into your account in real time, almost instantly. Another one of our rewards programs, Scratch and Win. This is gamification at its best. Customers love this one. You can put a custom branded image on the screen. Your customers can scratch that image with their finger, and they're able to win prizes. Customers love this one. Here's another one, coupons. Coupons are a fantastic way to provide incentives for your customers to come in and make a purchase. You can see a listing of the coupons that you've got in your app. Coupons are also trackable, so you're able to actually enter redeem codes, and you're able to see how many coupons have been redeemed. A referral feature, this is a great tool. You're able to refer friends from your network. So let's say I'm a customer and I've downloaded your app. I can go into my address book and start referring my friends to come into your place of business. You can incentivize me to do that as well. So I'm able to get rewards for referring people, and the people that come in are also able to get a reward for downloading the app. The key thing here for us is the person that's doing the referring does not actually get the rewards until the person that they referred comes in and makes a purchase. Okay, so the customer has to make a purchase. So I can't go into my address book and refer 100 of my friends and I can get all these rewards, even if those people don't turn into customers. We have a feature called Smart Reviews. After a transaction is made, the customer would get an email that looks something like this. They would be able to click on any one of these stars, and once they've clicked on it, depending upon the rating, you can set this up again. It's manageable. So let's say in this example, we were giving out 4- and 5-star reviews. Those are good reviews. Would automatically be transferred to that business's Yelp page, their Google page, their Facebook page, wherever they're collecting online reviews, and the customer would complete the review right online. If there's a negative review given, the customer is taken to a form. They're able to input some comments. That is mailed to the admins of the app, and they're able to follow up with the customer and find out why we're having a negative interaction with the business. Gift cards, a huge feature. This is a multi-billion-dollar industry annually. Merchants love it because they get the money up front, and you know, if they sell a $100 gift card, the customer will come back. Maybe they spend 120, 130, 150, or they spend 75. They may come back next week, next month, next year. So that's why merchants love it. Customers also, you're able to buy the gift cards for yourself or for someone else. You're able to share the gift cards digitally right through the app. This feature is a great tool. This just went live with our system. It's called the clientele module. This allows staff. So these are screens that you're looking at that only staff members would see. It allows them to create follow-ups, automated follow-ups. So they're able to track, you know, a to-do list. They're able to also add clients manually. So they can add clients right from their own screens without the client ever even having to download the app. And you're also able to send images and videos right through the system to your clients. This system is based on SMS, so text messaging, so not push notification. This system works 100% of the time. When you send a client a text message, it is open, so you know your messages are getting seen and read. Moving right along, we have an event calendar. Basically, you're able to set up events, different types of promotions or things that are happening with your business, and they're all available in a calendar format. You're able to set up reminders, so people are getting reminders by email, push notification, or text message right through the system. We have a fantastic food ordering system. It's standalone. It's built into the app, and as well as you're able to provide it to your customers if they need to put it on their website. So the same system could be on our website as well as inside the app. So these are the screens that we've got. We really looked at what was out on the market, and we saw the Domino's app. Domino's spent over $500,000 on their app, and we went and looked at their UI, and basically we emulated it. There's a lot of similarities. If you were to open up the Domino's app, you would see a lot of similarities in our platform as well. And again, keep in mind, you're able to customize the color schemes and all that kind of stuff to fit your business. So here's categories. You're able to pick a category of pizza. You have different sizes. You're able to customize it. And then you're able to send an order right through the app. You're able to pay for it right through the app. The kitchen gets a push notification if they're using the device. They can also set up a receipt printer. They get a push notification showing them the details of the order. They confirm the order. And then the customer, again, gets a push notification saying your order has been confirmed and it's going to be ready in 30 minutes. Great system. It's a no-brainer, really. I mean, imagine what you can do with this as a small business owner. You can provide a mobile app to them for $1,500, $2,000, $3,000, at really pennies on the dollar. Domino's paid $500,000 for their app, and you're able to provide the same type of functionality to your local businesses at a fraction of the cost. We have a table reservation system as well. So you're actually able to provide restaurants a way for their customers to book tables right through the app. Here's the other screen, confirm reservation, and everything's done right through the app platform. The next feature we're looking at is appointment booking. This is great for hair salons or dentists or doctor's office, anything that needs to have appointments made with specific members of the business. You see the calendar here. You're able to pick a service, and then you're able to pick a time and check out right through the app. You're also able to set up recurring booking. So if I'm doing my hair every week or every 2 weeks, I'm able to do that right through the system as well. Jumping there, the next feature, paid memberships. So we have the ability for you to gate your